Thought I'd show off a couple new keys I got to add to my key collection. Just got this Brown Brothers. It's a dual key made in early 70s. It's a straight key and a keyer. And we'll just do a little. We got the old Navy flame-proof key. And I just acquired this. This is a U.S. Army flame-proof key. It's a J5A. I haven't mounted it on anything to keep it down, so I'll have to hold it down while I'm keying. And these two have what they call the Navy knob, so you can kind of grab a hold of it during high seas, I guess. And here's the old World War II J38, and that was contracted out to the Lionel company. Has a logo, the Lionel logo on the bottom. That's from World War II. Oops. This one, that if you press on one side, you get the dits, and this side you get the dials. And when you get good, like I'm trying to get one of these days, you can get going pretty fast on it. So there you have it, Brown Brothers dual key, Navy flame-proof with the Navy knob, Army flame-proof J5A, and the old J38.